Abuafo penso Osei Tutu awadene ho una di ko shabo kasem opinso Osei Tutu woni premprem ya dom woni ahene mohene ni obi kwanfa no che awode pane penu abe odi abode ana apemne dana wotwa no wa Asantehene ne yonko ne una wokonko dine ekumuni padu konkono ansa na wogya chechira Asanteman opinso Osei Tutu woni tete bu ankoma una akonfa ya kwam uhimgini nsandawro Osei na hwiase nkane bia we ne sonsensane fie panyini asemo e sabadise ne sabadise we beto anyintoni ane bia to bu asio asisane fie panyino otoko hene no odi amono no ya kanta ebu swasta no ofro bata yesumai Otumfuo Osei Tutu mebom nani o ebom nani amama santunka asemo e sabadise ne sabadise we beto anyintoni kane bia to bu asio asisane fie panyino otoko hene no odi amono no ya kanta ebu swasta no ofro bata yesumai Otumfuo Osei Tutu mebom nani o ebom nani amama santunka awoda ya wudi panyini asemo e sabadise ne sabadise we beto anyintoni kane bia to bu asio asisane fie panyino otoko hene no odi amono no ya kanta ebu swasta no ofro bata yesumai Otumfuo Osei Tutu mebom nani o ebom nani amama santunka awoda ya
la ne mebom nani anoti konfo mebom nani.
The Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Dr. Rowley, and the wife, the First Lady of Trinidad and Tobago. He is a member of the House of Representatives of Diego Martin West in the Parliament of Trinidad and Tobago, where he has represented that constituency since 1991, having been elected senator between 1987 and 1990. Lands and marine resources, has been the former Minister for Planning and Development, Minister for Housing, former Minister of Trade and Industry. On the 7th of September 2015, Dr. Rowley led the People's National Movement to general elections victory to become 7th Prime Minister of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Dr. Rowley was re-elected to serve as the Prime Minister in August 2020 after won the 2020 general elections. Thank you, Dr. Rowley, for celebrating with us here at the Manhene Palace. Television sets, listening to us on radio, interacting with us on social media, we extend our warmest welcome, and we hope you will experience a tapestry of Asante culture and tradition. And there the panda stroko cry. Yade Otumfuo is here by Yeso. And fear Adronu Edumnie. Eti Anda Yashafa Kesia. And what afahyɛ. The vibrant colors you see today, the pulsating rhythms of drums, the dancing, the clothing, the ambience are all testament to the enduring legacy and the dynamic spirit of the Ashanti Kingdom. So let's begin with the celebration. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to the grand endeavor to clamors the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu this second. From that point, we will not allow physical and political boundaries to fade away our bond. We welcome you home as you continue to pledge your loyalty to the greater family of Ashanti Kingdom. We also make welcome delegation from Bobie, together with the second lady, Hajiya Samira Bobie. We are again grateful to welcome the Chief of Staff of the Republic, Honorable Akosia Prema Osei Opare. Bob, we are so grateful for your presence and indeed your personal participation in all the events that has happened here commemorating the 25th anniversary of His Majesty. Yama opposition want you office D say akwenya ho say okọ na wo chia Otumfuo e be sew say obetsase fefefe the drew so akwenya abeba na wo so akwchia Otumfuo and then listen e wa ha ye bo obi dia sew ben to the actually Agro-job, Sabadane, and Kokofoni Manso. Same way we have the MP for Ofaigrom, Honorable Dr. And we make welcome the MP for Atumango Just South,